fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So I am back in my dining room again, and I am just basically going to be decking out this dining room and then giving you a dining room tour in a little bit. But I just wanted to deck out the dining room one room at a time, and and keep it moving from there. But I am back in my dining room, like I said, and I am decorating my white hutch. You guys know that this is my favorite piece of furniture in my home. I absolutely love this piece of furniture. I thrifted it a few years ago, maybe in 2016 I thrifted it, and I just love it so much. I paid $30 for it, and it's been many different colors, but I just love it so much. So I'm going to be adding some garland to the top, and then I am going to put some Christmas dishes in there as well. The Christmas dishes, a friend of mine, she thrifted them for me, and I believe it was like 60 pieces for $1, okay? And they are all brand new Gibson's Christmas dishes, and they are so nostalgic, and it reminds me of my childhood. But you guys will definitely get to see them in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Enjoy the music.
December morning, no one but we are. We look out the window as it's starting to snow, and I realize as you hand me the coffee cup, I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard, but I ain't complaining. It's a wonderful present, a gift that comes in the shape of a heart. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. And if I were to make a wish upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last. Because I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down round and around. And I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like
So I love decorating bookshelves. It's like one of my favorite pieces of furniture to decorate. But you guys, it is so hard to decide where to put what because y'all know I go by the rule of threes, and it is super difficult sometimes to find the right pieces to put in the bookshelf where you can achieve that look of symmetry, but also, a look that is cozy and pleasing to the eye. So I'm trying, you see me kind of thinking out loud, trying to figure out where to put certain pieces. But here's my beautiful nativity. I showed it to you guys in the haul. It was one of my Amazon purchases and it arrived. And y'all, I just love it so much. Oh my gosh. Isn't it just so beautiful? It's porcelain. And I love it so much. And it means so much to me to have the nativity in my home. I mean, I always had the nativity in my home, but I think my focus this year is that the Holy Family, the Lord, his birth, and just, I want my home to be Christ centered all throughout the year. I mean, not just on Christmas Day, but I just love it so much. And it just represents my faith and what my family and I believe. And I love the way that it turned out, and it just makes the space just so much better. And I'm so glad that I found it. So I'm just going to go ahead and embellish it a little bit with some greenery stems that I found on Amazon and some red baubles to kind of even out all the reds that's, on the hutch. So I am loving the way that it turned out. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you guys like it too.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop.
And this is the way that it turned out. I am just in love. Oh my gosh. It feels so classic to me. It feels so nostalgic. It feels like vintage, but oh my gosh, I don't even know what word to use, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. It reminds me of my childhood, and I am just loving the way that my dining room is turning out because, y'all, I'm telling you, this is probably the best that I have ever decorated my dining room for the holiday. I am just really loving it, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope that you guys got some ideas and that you guys are liking what you see so far. Let me know down in the comment section. Let's talk. And yeah, I appreciate y'all so much. Don't mind all the boxes. Y'all know it's the process that I'm going through of decorating. But I will see you guys in the next episode. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too, and that He is the reason for the season. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from